Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Park on level ground, set the parking brake, and disconnect the negative battery terminal before you begin. Gather a 5/8-inch spark plug socket, 6-inch extension, ratchet, torque wrench, gap tool, anti-seize, and dielectric grease to have everything ready. Work on a cool engine after at least 1 hour to avoid burns and allow components to contract to normal size. Label each ignition coil location 1 through 6 for a 3 LV6 or 1 through 4 for a 2 4L4 cylinder to avoid cross-wiring. Remove ignition coil assemblies one at a time by first unplugging the electrical connector and then unbolting the 10 mm bolt that secures the coil. Twist and pull the coil straight up to free it from the spark plug well. Keep screws and connectors organized by cylinder number. Use a 5/8-inch spark plug socket with a 6-inch extension to reach and extract each plug straight out to avoid cross-threading or damaging the head. Inspect each removed plug for carbon fouling, oil deposits, or electrode wear to help diagnose engine health. Gap each new spark plug to 0.44 inches before installation and apply a small amount of anti-seize to the threads only if Toyota permits it for your plug type. Hand start each spark plug into the cylinder head to ensure proper threading, then tighten with a torque wrench to 13 lbft, 18 Nm for the aluminum head, or follow the vehicle manual if different. Reinstall ignition coils. Apply dielectric grease to the inside of each boot. Reconnect the negative battery terminal, start the engine, and verify a smooth idle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.